Hi guys, good day everyone. My name is Yotomi Estate. So I am the site engineer. Welcome to City Ambience Estate. Today we'll be allocating some portion of our land to our landlord. Join me as I walk you through the allocated area.
Convince us as much as she can. Yeah. We have some other ones we bought from
Pamela Christian.
She
has a plot in Pamela Christian.
So she's a good customer.
And now all our estates we've been to, how is it like?
This is my first time of coming to one of the estates. I decided today to be here to see what she has been telling us. So all along we've been paying you.
So what can you say now?
I don't know where we are paying to.
What can you
but
say
I'm
now?
here today. I so much appreciate the area. The area is not bad. Quite peaceful.